Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. We're in the shed right now, and Joseph actually bought a light bar or two. For the combine, he's always kind of needed better lights for it. So we're actually going to show you how we put those on. So won't you come farming with us? So you're putting a new L bracket on. You're putting a new L bracket on where the old one was?
I'm just putting it in the bracket, leaving an L.
Oh, you said L bracket. You're putting a bracket on where the old light was.
Alright.
And it's for the new light bar.
Alright.
So, if you see that bar that he just put on the bracket, that is the light. Sorry, we're sitting in the cab, you can't really see it that great. And then there's the old light right there. So is that an LED? But that way shouldn't really have to rewire that much, right?
Should be able to just cut the old wires, and it should. Pretty much able to just wire back up in place of the old one. Really helping.
Yeah. So you guys can see we're sitting in the cab. This is just to the right of the cab. It's okay. Hey. What are you doing there, Joseph? Oh, are you reconnecting the wires?
No, this is the little bolts that hold it to the bracket. Hold the light bar to the brackets.
Joseph's kind of working on some of the different wiring things with these with this light bar. He has one for the front, one for the back of the combine. Kind of on our second attempt, so we'll see if this works. You pray for rolling your eyes at me, huh? We got these lights from Menards. And do you know the wattage, Joseph? No?
No.
And they're LEDs, so. Woohoo! It works! Good job, baby. That is bright. Holy moly. And how much is that? $20 a light? It's a lot cheaper than...
I'd have to read the box, but I think it was like
2,200 watts? Lumens. Okay. Cool. That's really nice.
It's just a little 6.5 inch LED light bar from Menards. $20. The box says it has 2,900 raw lumens and then like 1,700 effective. So
cool.
I'm not really sure what the difference between raw and effective is.
So then
it's bright.
Yeah, it is bright. So then you'll put one right here probably if it works that way.
Put one, maybe a second one over on this side too. I don't know.
Okay. Cool.
I don't know. I'm worried that might be too far back on the combine because I don't know if I'll be able to see my tires.
Well,
I don't know. We'll try it there and see how that works.
Yeah. Well, at least you got one on the front. That's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really
and if
bright.
I switch this one out to LED too, I think that's really going to help.
Yeah.
Seeing when the auger's put away.
Yeah, but that's like a $200 light, ain't it?
No, that's like $36.
Oh, that's not bad.
So.
Okay. All right.